So here's how you can make money on Tapmob, and it's actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Tapmob account, and once you're logged into that Tapmob homepage, you can go ahead and click on offers on the bottom left hand side. And then now you're going to see a bunch of new offers that Tapmob has to offer. So they have these games where it's like Fortnite Chapter 4, Call of Duty. And essentially, you want to pick an offer that says hot, which means that this offer is really easy to convert and make the money. So in this case, I'd say one of the top methods are Cash App as well as Shein, and Temu Product Reviewer is also good as well, and this payout is double. So in this case, I'd honestly go ahead and click on Temu Product Reviewer. So I would go ahead and click on that, and you want to go ahead and click on copy link. So once you have your link copied, this is the custom link that you basically want to promote in order to get conversions and earn the Tapmob money. So with this description, as you can see, the requirements for this conversion is that you need a quality user that not only submits their email but participates in the trials, offers, deals, and subscriptions that follows. And then you want to make sure that you don't violate the what not to say, or else you're going to get terminated and banned from Tapmob. So don't say something like you can receive a free gift card. You don't want to say it's a lottery or a contest. You don't want to do any of these sort of scams. What you want to do is basically you can read this instructions right over here and just make sure that you copy what you can talk about and what you cannot talk about. So once you have that down, because this is a Temu hot and also pays a lot of money, you want to basically somehow connect this Temu Product Reviewer with the Temu app. So the best way for you to get conversions in this offer is to tell people to review Temu products and then give them this link right over here. Once they use this link, then they do everything, then you get a conversion. So you just want to go ahead and promote that, and you want to make sure that you don't cross the what not to say and just keep on doing what you can talk about. And then you can make a lot of money using Tapmob when you get conversions. Let's say you get 50 conversions a day. That's 50 times 6, which is $300 every single day with this offer alone. So you can go ahead and experiment with all these other offers if you want to, and then go ahead and promote them in a fashionable manner that's also a appropriate manner, and that way you can earn Tapmob money.